This battery is so nice. Just look at this. And this is the 24-volt model, not the 48. Every single balance lead is labeled. We have B1 negative, B1 positive, B2 positive, and the temperature sensors are also labeled as well. And every connection to a bus bar has a locking nut washer. And the balance lead is protected and it's secured to the cells. It has this plastic piece that goes between each cell, and that helps for insulation between each case. Also, we have marine grade heat shrink on the main supply conductors. And there's even foam to protect these cables where they run along the side of the case. And these are brand new Gafang cells, which are really good. SOK uses them and quite a few other manufacturers. Also, there's not a single loose wire anywhere in this pack. Everything is secured down with zip ties or glued. Also, the BMS has an inductor because it has its own form of current regulation. So if you were to connect this pack to another pack that's a very different state of charge and lots of current started to flow, it would reduce it to 10 amps. Also, check out this massive pre-charge resistor. This allows you to connect to inverters without pre-charging the capacitors, which is a very useful feature for solar power systems. Also, the circuit breakers connections are crimped. Other ones, typically, they just screw them down with bare wire. And it looks perfect. Like if you look at the connection inside, that is a flawless crimp. Also, I want to test the low temp charging protection. So right now we're charging with 10 amps. We're going to carefully remove this temperature sensor. Let's see if it can reach my little cup. Oh, look at that! It actually works! That's cool. Let's test one more sensor. Oh, there we go. And this one works as well. So pretty impressive. Probably the best battery we've ever tested on the channel. I mean, this build quality, if all batteries were like this, my channel would not exist because the batteries would just work as advertised. But yeah, I think people are gonna cycle these for decades without a single issue. Even the orientation and placement of the cells with these insulative barriers, like it's just perfect. I can't think of anything wrong inside of here. Typically, we always find something wrong. So this is a very impressive pack. I really like this one. And that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to do a quick teardown and appreciate the build quality. I want other companies to see this and copy it because this is fantastic. So I hope you guys liked the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.